Welcome back! This is part 4 and the last episode of our Jira Admin Essentials mini tutorial series. In this video we are covering fields, screens and permissions. So what users see, what they can edit and what they are allowed to do. Hey, my name is Marvin and I'm working as a technical support engineer DevOps at Resolution.
This is my time, I'm on the rise, can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time, ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights, 'cause when it's game time.
Let's start here with the fields. Fields are the data you capture on issues. So let's switch to our demo instance, go to Jira and work items. Here we will go to our fields. Before we will start to create a demo field, let's just recap that Jira has standard fields like summary, description, priority. But already mentioned, you can also create custom fields like dropdowns, dates, or user pickers. We will just click here on create a new field. And now you can select the field type, like the date picker or select a list. Then you give it a name. You could also add a description here for better meaning to other users. And now you would click create and you would see the field here. Maybe you know already or can see the danger here. The danger is creating too many fields. Too many fields makes Jira fields slow and confusing. So create fields only when you really use the data, want to use this field. Let's switch to the field configuration. Next to fields, there's the field configurations. Here, field configuration control whether fields are required, hidden, or set with default values. This is how you simplify the create form. Here, for example, hide rarely used fields and only require what's essentials. Let's switch here to our screens. So screens control which fields appear on create, edit, and view. This is a big one. So compared to field configuration controls rules about fields. Screens control what users actually see. Here you can see already a lot of screens and will create screens per space. And now we have our permission, the permission schemes. And that's more or less the security side, permission schemes. So here you define which user can browse spaces, create issues or work items, edit these work items, transition work items to another user and administer spaces. You can assign permissions and that's sometimes a bit confusing because you can assign this permission using groups, space rules, or specific users. Let me quickly switch to our demo space because here you have also this kind of access setting. You have also space permissions. And here you can see the space role. So if you assign a space role like an administrator, more or less the space role is also visible for this space or can use these actions inside this space. Roles like developer or viewer are assigned per the space. Then you can reference them in the permission schemes. So this keeps permission management consistent and scalable. Here in our space settings, we will also find the work item security. So if you need sensitive issues or use work item security levels to restrict visibility inside the space, you will do it here. But yeah, at the beginning or default, it's sometimes not enabled. So you would need to go here through action and select a dedicated scheme for this work item security, or you would need to create this scheme and can select it here later. There's also one important thing, it's the audit log. It helps you to track admin changes, who changed what and when. So let's switch to our system settings, the Jira admin settings and system, and you will see here under troubleshooting and support the audit log. And here you can already see that my account created a custom field. And this is important to see what's going on in your Jira instance. So now you have the space admin roadmap, work item types and workflows, then fields and screens, then permissions and security. Next step, open one real space and review 3 things: work item type scheme, workflow scheme, and permission scheme. That alone will teach you a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in one of our next video.
This is my time. I'm on the rise.